This video will go over final reports and mapping features that a risk assessor might use in FUDSChem. We go over EQAP-related reports in our EQAP for Risk Assessors video, linked in the description. There are a few chemistry reports that we want to highlight today. They are already open with anonymized data from a real project, but we'll show you where to find them. First is Reports, Chemistry Crosstab with Regulatory Limits by Event. This report displays approved chemistry results compared with two selected regulatory limits. Detections are in bold, and exceedances are highlighted in different colors. The key at the bottom shows us that exceedances of the first limit are blue. Exceedances of the second are pink. Exceedances of both are purple. You can click the floppy disk icon to save this report in various formats, including PDF and Excel. Let's go back to our main window. Another option is Reports, Chemistry Results with Regulatory Limits Approved. This report displays approved chemistry results compared with regulatory limits. You can choose to compare to a specific PAL or to the most conservative limit for each analyte. Like before, detections are in bold and exceedances are highlighted. Let's go back to our main window. Our final report is Reports, Chemistry Reports, Maximum Detects Prevalence Report. This report displays the maximum and minimum detected concentrations of each analyte. We can see how many samples had detects and how many had exceedances. Additionally, we can see details on the maximum and minimum concentrations compared to the PAL values. Let's go back to our main window. We can also view data by exporting it to Google Earth. We have prepared a few exports already, though we'll look at the interfaces first. To view chemistry data, go to Maps, Export Chemistry Layer to Google Earth. Here, you can choose what to include in your export, such as the project, locations, and analytes. The Analytes dropdown is pre-populated with common environmental contaminants. If your project includes additional contaminants, reach out to your Synectics point of contact to request changes to the list. You can enter a limit for each analyte. We go into more detail in our Exporting Chemistry Data to Google Earth video, linked in the description. We've prepared an export already to view cadmium concentrations, so we'll open it up. The Places bar on the left defines each of the colors. Green dots are non-detects. Gray dots are non-detect exceedances. Yellow dots are detects. Red dots are exceedances. Clicking on a dot shows the data associated with the location. Exceedances are shaded blue, and non-detect exceedances are shaded gray. In a similar way, we can also view trends in environmental measurements. Back in our main window, go to Maps, Export EMI Layer to Google Earth. Here, instead of analytes, we would select environmental measurements such as pH and temperature. You can reach out to your Synectics point of contact to request changes to the list. You can enter limits for each measurement. We go into more detail in our Exporting Environmental Measurement Data to Google Earth video, linked in the description. We've prepared an export which will highlight locations that have recorded a pH above 7, so let's open it up. On the left, we can see that gray squares are locations where all data was within the limits. Red squares are locations where at least one data point was outside of the limits. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.